In this short video, I am going to show you how to play the game called Poietic Generator. The first thing to do is to connect to its website. So, you have to make a search with your browser on the name Poietic Generator. Poietic Generator, like this. Be careful with the spelling. Then you have to select the link to the website poieticgenerator.net. After that, just click on the play button in order to reach the connection page of the game. The connection is then easy to make. First, write your name and your city just like this. If you want, you can stay anonymous. That's your choice. Second, you have to select the last current session of the game. In this case, it's the session 4. And finally, you must click on the play button. So, you are now inside the Poietic Generator game, and you should discover two areas on the screen. The first one is your personal drawing grid. The second one, on the top, represents the big picture which aggregates the drawings of all the gamers who are playing at the same time with you on the Poietic Generator. Right now, the two areas are completely black, just because you have not started to draw and because you are alone in the game. But as soon as you begin to draw in your personal area, you can see how the big picture moves following the change we make on a personal grid. If you need to modify the color of your brush, you just have to click here for showing the toolbar, then click on the color icon. After that, you can move the cursor just like this for choosing the color you want to use. Then click outside the box and apply the new color in your own drawing. For finding the colors used by the other gamers, you must put your cursor in the big picture on the color you want to copy, then click on it and apply the new color in your own drawing. Just like this. When we are several gamers drawing at the same time in the Poietic Generator, the mimesis process gives us the opportunity to tell stories with linked pictures. So, for example, here you can copy the green one more Then you can copy the blue. And finally, you can choose to make a tree, for example. With green, darker green. Voila. If you need to contact a gamer, just click here, select the user, and write your text. When a gamer quits the game, just like here, his drawing goes away and the empty space can be reoccupied by a new gamer. In fact, the place of all drawings is managed automatically by the Poietic Generator in order to facilitate the creation of the most compact global picture. And finally, to quit yourself the game, you just have to click on Logout and you have to confirm the process. At the end of the game, you have the opportunity to see the story of all the interactions by clicking on View. This feature must still be improved, and it takes now around 5 minutes to obtain a result. I know 5 minutes seems to be like an eternity for some of you, but if you are a little bit patient, you should be able to see this sort of film. And as you can see, this story is interesting because it gives you the possibility to step back on the interactions and to see the emergence of forms and narrative process in a context of a collaborative drawing. To better know the concepts and the events linked to the Poietic Generator, you can read its Wikipedia page and have a look on its website. So, I think I have explained the most important steps for playing on the Poietic Generator, but perhaps I have to precise one more important thing. The pictures you produce are free because you make them with the other gamers, and everyone can copy and broadcast them everywhere. So enjoy and have a creative experience with the Poietic Generator.